In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix echo in OBS Studio step by step. Echo is one of the most common audio problems in OBS, and it can instantly make your streams or recordings sound unprofessional. The good news is that this issue is usually caused by just a few simple settings, and you can fix it in under a couple of minutes once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right into it. The first and most important thing to check is audio monitoring. In OBS, echo often happens when your microphone audio is being played back to you and then picked up again. To fix this, go to the audio mixer section at the bottom of OBS. Find your microphone source, then click the small gear icon next to it. From the menu, choose Advanced Audio Properties. A new window will open showing all your audio sources. Look for your microphone in the list, then find the monitoring column. Make sure this is set to Monitor Off. If it's set to Monitor and Output or Monitor Only, that can cause echo or feedback. Once it's set to Monitor Off, close the window and test your audio. In many cases, this alone completely fixes the echo issue. Next, let's check for duplicate audio sources. This is another very common cause of echo in OBS. Look closely at the audio mixer while you speak into your microphone. Ideally, you should only see one audio bar moving when you talk. If you see multiple bars reacting to your voice, that means OBS is capturing the same sound more than once. One common example is desktop audio. If you're in a call, watching a preview, or playing sound through your speakers, your microphone might be picking that up again. If desktop audio is capturing your voice or call audio, click the speaker icon next to desktop audio to mute it. After muting, speak again and confirm that only your microphone bar is moving. This ensures OBS is only recording one clean audio source instead of creating an echo effect. The third and final fix is using headphones. If you're using speakers, your microphone can easily pick up the sound coming out of them, especially your own voice. This creates a loop that sounds like echo or reverb in your recording or stream. Simply switching to headphones can completely eliminate this problem. Plug in your headphones, make sure your system audio is routed through them, and test your microphone again. You'll notice the echo disappears because the mic is no longer hearing your speakers. After following these 3 steps, your audio in OBS should be clean, clear, and echo-free. Always remember to double-check monitoring settings, avoid duplicate audio sources, and use headphones whenever possible. If this video helped you fix your OBS echo issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.